Alright, we're going to spend some time in the kitchen today, and I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful apple dessert that originates from the Loire Valley of France. It's called the Tarte Tatin. My friend Philippe turned me on to it a few years ago on a trip to France, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. To make the Tarte Tatin, we only need a few ingredients. All we need is some butter, some sugar, about 6 golden delicious apples, and then you're going to need a pan such as this, about 10 inches across, inch or 2 deep. If you don't have a pan like this, you can use a cast iron skillet, but it needs to be something that can go on the stovetop as well as in the oven. Other than that, we will need some pastry, and we'll get to that in a minute. In order to prepare your apples, you're going to want to cut off the top, cut off the bottom, peel them, cut them in half, cut it into quarters, cut out the core, and then cut it one more time. Cut out the core, cut it one more time. So you end up with pieces about like that. Okay, now that we have our apples prepped, we're going to go ahead and make our caramel by putting our plate on the stove, putting our sugar in it, and bringing it up to heat slowly. As soon as all of the sugar crystals have melted and it's turned into caramel, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat. Now you want to go ahead and add your butter. Stir that in. Ready to add our apples. You want to go ahead and add your apples, keeping in mind that this is going to be upside down. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and add some more sugar. Probably about 3 tablespoons worth or so. It's not an exact science. And, of course, it doesn't hurt to add some butter. Another couple tablespoons of butter. Kind of cut into little cubes and spread throughout. Then we can go ahead and add our pastry on top of that. Just tuck it in as best you can. There we go. Okay, we should be ready to pull it out now. Alright. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to plate the Tarte Tatin and do the tricky maneuver of flipping it over, and hopefully it comes out as planned. Voila, Tarte Tatin. Bravo. Bon chance for you to make this.